Facial roller massage is a popular technique used for skincare and relaxation. It can help reduce puffiness, stimulate circulation, and promote lymphatic drainage, leaving your skin looking and feeling rejuvenated. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do a facial roller massage at home. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Facial roller, commonly made of jade, rose quartz, or other stones. Cleanse your face with a gentle facial cleanser. Facial oil, serum, or moisturizer for lubrication. Step 2. Prepare your skin. Start with a clean face. Remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities with a gentle cleanser. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Apply a few drops of facial oil, serum, or moisturizer to your face and neck. This will provide lubrication and help the roller glide smoothly over your skin. Step 3. Begin the massage. Start with the larger end of the roller. Begin at the center of your face, forehead, nose, or chin, and gently roll outward towards your hairline or jawline. Use gentle pressure and repeat each stroke 5–10 times. Move the roller in an upward and outward motion, following the natural contours of your face. Roll over your cheeks, jawline, and neck using upward strokes. This helps to lift and sculpt the face. For the under eye area, use the smaller end of the roller. Start at the inner corner of your eye and gently roll outward towards your temples. Be extra gentle in this delicate area to avoid causing any discomfort. Repeat each stroke on both sides of your face, maintaining a consistent and gentle pressure. Step 4. Focus on problem areas. Spend extra time rolling over areas of tension, puffiness, or areas with fine lines and wrinkles. You can also incorporate additional techniques such as light tapping or gentle massage with your fingers to further relax facial muscles and promote circulation. Step 5. Finish with skincare. After completing the massage, gently pat any remaining facial oil, serum, or moisturizer into your skin. Follow up with any additional skincare products in your routine, such as eye cream or sunscreen. Step 6. Clean and store your roller. After each use, clean your facial roller with a gentle soap and water. Dry it thoroughly before storing it in a clean, dry place. Some rollers may also benefit from occasional disinfection with rubbing alcohol or a gentle disinfectant wipe. Tips: for an extra cooling and depuffing effect, store your facial roller in the refrigerator before use. Be gentle and mindful of the pressure you apply, especially around sensitive areas like the eyes. Consistency is key. Incorporate facial roller massage into your skincare routine regularly for best results. By following these steps, you can effectively perform a facial roller massage at home to promote relaxation and support healthy, glowing skin. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel and recommend it to your friends. Stay informed